Contents: 1 windowed outer bottle, 1 airless inner bottle, 1 airless dropper head, and 1 cap. New dropper bottle assembly instructions. Step 1. Fill the airless inner bottle with 30 ml or 15 ml of product. Step 2. Once filled, screw the airless dropper head onto the airless inner bottle by turning it clockwise until securely tightened. Step 3. Identify the threaded side of the windowed outer bottle. This is where the airless inner bottle will be locked in. Step 4. Hold the dropper head with one hand and the windowed outer bottle with the other. Insert the dropper head into the threaded opening of the outer bottle and twist clockwise to secure. Step 5. After the dropper head is tightly locked into the outer bottle, attach the cap from the dropper side to complete the full assembly of the new dropper bottle.